Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mine Bitcoin from a simple browser. Make sure to watch the video up until the end and then you'll get the referral link where you must go to so you can also start do mining. You don't need big expensive gear to mine, you just need a browser, and this video will explain everything for you from A to Z, what you must do to become a Bitcoin miner.
Are you interested in getting high passive income? Do you want to be in trend and earn cryptocurrency? If so, try CryptoTab Browser, the world's first web browser for mining, with an integrated mining algorithm and a reward system, which allows you to earn bitcoins while you are just using a browser. CryptoTab Browser has the same interface and functions as the usual Google Chrome. It will be convenient and clear to use for everyone. The mining algorithm, which is built into the browser due to the optimizations, allows you to receive up to 8 times more income than mining of Google Chrome. This is the easiest and most effective way to start earning money from mining without any costs. Invite new users to use the CryptoTab browser via your personal link and get a percentage of their mining and mining volume of the people they also invited. The referral system includes up to 10 user levels, which allows you to get truly high passive income. Install CryptoTab browser on your computer and start earning right now. Stable earnings and guaranteed payments in Bitcoins every day. Join in!
Alright guys, now that you've got your link, what you do is you go to your browser. As you can see, CryptoTab is already installed on my computer. But what you can do is on any browser that you've got, on the URL address, just copy and paste the link that I'll share with you at the end of the video and also in the description down below. You just put in the link, press enter, wait a few seconds for your server. It will take you straight to the CryptoTab browser. So what you do is you just go down where it say download. I'm not going to click on the download again because I've already installed it on my computer. What you do is you just download it and it will automatically start downloading it. It will show in the bottom left normally. If it's finished, then you just double click and you run it. And as soon as you run it, Bob your uncle. Then you just choose your social media account to log in. And you set to start mining. In the following video, I will show exactly how to mine and how to set up your account. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button not to miss the next video on crypto mining.